Okay, so but yeah, like I said, you guys see, this is exactly what you need to do. If you got a YouTube video that you think I would that would scare me, bam, this is where you would go to send it, into the Scareboard chat. Scareboard. Oh my god, don't
Scareboard.
I'm gonna be doing that crap again, bro. I've never did this these past years. I don't know why that's like so like gosh dang. I like it when you scraping and scrambling for stuff, daddy.
And anyway.
Bet, let's lock in. So this one was sent in by Beacon, and it is called Charlie Charlie,
Whoop, whoop.
a short horror film. And I listen to these on Matt's volume, chat. So let's see, chat. Charlie Charlie, Scarebird. We're in season. Bet, we up.
Charlie Charlie, are you there?
Okay. Charlie Charlie, everywhere.
Charlie Charlie, are you there?
Yo, what's up, Tyler? FPSX Lion. Oh, snap. Ooh, it's giving yes. Oh, nah. Oh,
Daniel,
nah.
get out of my room before I tell Mom.
Nah, he's shooting a bird. He shot a bird, chat.
Hey,
W-
Addison.
Leave!
Miss me.
Nah.
Charlie Charlie, are you there?
Ain't gonna lie, she braver than me, because look, all I'm saying is, if that pencil started moving for real after I said that, it's donezo, bro. I'm turning on all the lights, I'm going downstairs, I'm hopping in the bed with my parents, like, bro, it's Jover, bro. Yes, sir. Oh.
Charlie Charlie, will I pass my exams?
No.
Charlie Charlie, are you sure?
Oh. Ain't gonna lie, this crazy. This actually wild. Imagine, chat. That bit too calm, chat. She too calm.
Will I be rich?
Oh, no. Yo, hey, why she getting all the bad answers, though? Why she getting all the bad answers?
Charlie Charlie, are you a good spirit?
It's finna turn back no. It's finna turn back to no. Watch. Wait. I told you. Yes, sir. Boom. Why it turn extra no?
Charlie Charlie,
Yo, the
can we
bass
stop?
boost in my ears. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Oh, now you scared, bitch? It's not the fact that the pencil was moving by itself?
Charlie Charlie, can we stop?
No. Oh, my God. Daniel, stop! It's not Daniel, boy. I'm the king of the ring. I'm the king on the screen. My fault.
Daniel, is that you?
No. Yeet! Oh, MG.
Addison, can we play?
Oh, nah.
Charlie?
Yes. Yo. Oh my God. Oh my God, Danny. Oh, nah. WVid. Alright, this next video was sent in by Beacon. It's called Peep Hole. Well, let's lock in. Oh, yeah, my fault. Before I watch this, I do want to say, shout out to Nico. I appreciate that. Bro said it's a good day when Jaybird streams for real. I appreciate that. For real, that actually made my day.
W's in the shot.
Make sure it's on max volume. Best quality. It's on max volume for me, chat. Yeah. Dang, he thick. No, let me stop. I'm joking. That was crazy. Ooh. Yeah. Is this the part where we smash? Oh, nah. Hey, yo. Why his cheeks out, Chop? Why his cheeks out? Ooh. Oh, nah. That was some crazy walls, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. Wait, is that Peter Parker? Oh, nah, bro. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Hey, yo, chat. Yo, why does Joe actually just scare the crap out of me? Because I had a timer on my phone set for 9:55, so I know when to play. Yo, why did Joe actually just scare the crap out of me, bruh? All right, let me lock back in. Oh. Oh, his pants gonna be down? Yeah. Oh, nah. Yo, what the heck? Hey, that joke ain't so funny no more, ain't it? Yeah. Nah, bruh. I just try to open the door. Oh, nah. Why is that so, like, trippy, bruh? Yo, what? Oh, nah. It's so loud, bro. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's Jover. Oh. Hey, yo. L print, chat. L print. Spam L print. Oh, nah. That was fine. That was fine. That ain't bad. I like that one. Yo, that came out 6 years ago. I don't know why, but why? Like, the audio was very oddly satisfying. I don't know why. Like, when he was tapping, like, when his foot was, like, slapping the ground, why was that oddly satisfying, bro? That was a W, though. W vid. And shout out to Jash Pictures, Inc. for that vid. Holy, that was crazy. All right, this one is Smiling Woman 6 by AMC or ACM Official. All right, I'm locked in. 1 a.m. Oh, probably not gonna be so scary on mute, huh? All right, 1 a. All right. This was sent in by Nico, by the way, chat. Right off the rip. Dang, them bags are atrocious. She got some crazy bags under them eyes. Oh, nah. Yo, that's actually mad creepy, chat. Hi. Oh, nah. Ew.
Hello?
Oh, nah.
No, get away from me. No, get away. Is everything okay? There was a woman in a yellow dress. She was in my room.
No one here. You were just having a nightmare.
This will help you get back to sleep,
Oh,
okay?
nah.
It wasn't a nightmare. There was... Really? I'll be back to check on you.
Oh, nah.
What do you want?
Oh, nah. Yo, this junk's so loud, bro. Holy. Oh, nah, bro. Fuck! No, bruh! I seen it coming too, bro. I knew that was gonna happen, bro. I knew that was gonna happen.
Hello?
Ooh. That was a good one, bruh. It didn't really scare me, but it startled me. It startled me. Oh, but what? What? That's it? That don't count. That don't count, man.